State trooper attacks biker. All right, so we're getting to a stoplight. We're hanging out with a stunt rider. You see the gas tank. It's nice and flat because he likes the stunt. There it is. What is the cop going to do? What is the cop going to do? He's going to take one of our keys. Oh, nope. Nope. You guys were probably doing something. You guys were probably doing some reckless riding. Reckless riding.
Yo, what the bro? Yo.
Reckless riding. So you got pulled over. You're getting stopped.
Sit back.
Did you see me commit a crime?
I got reports to you.
I don't give a. Did you see me commit?
There's no point in arguing with the cops on scene. The time for arguments is in court.
Really?
Okay? That's really it, because now you're being disorderly. Now you're going to rack up new things. It's better to argue in court.
I didn't do a. You got no right, bro.
You're being detained. You're not being arrested yet.
If you want it.
You're allowed to be detained. Just kind of.
My key if you want it.
Just kind of take it for what it is.
I want my key if you want my.
I recently, because I posted something similar to this a while back, and it's like a cop took the key. And I guess there was a court case a while ago or whatever where, because people are saying it's a Fourth Amendment right, you know, search and seizure and all this other stuff when you're not allowed to take somebody's property. At the end of the day, like that, they're allowed to. They won the court case where they can take your key. So if they take your key, they take your key. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just.
I don't know who the.
What's going on? Just be cooperative. Be like, hey, what's going on? If you did nothing wrong, you're not going to act like a child.
Let's see me commit a crime. That's
You're just creating more problems.
Break the law.
Where are you supposed to be parked?
I
Are
didn't
you
break.
parked behind the stop line?
No,
Or
you
broke
just
the
did
law?
that.
You
You
broke
just
the law.
did that.
You
It's
broke
on
the law.
video.
I'm fine with it on video.
Yeah.
And I'll seize it for evidence. This
No, you
didn't
won't.
break any crimes.
No, I didn't break.
Where are you supposed to stop? You're supposed to stop behind that first line. So technically, you are not following the traffic law. So technically, I could just go ahead and do my probable cause and whatever. Love it.
You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what?
He's done.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
He's done.
Put your hands behind your back.
So as soon as the cop says sit, like as soon as the cop raises his voice, he turns into a little boy. He's like, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. What are you talking about? I want to see that again.
No, I didn't break a crime. You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what? Put your hands behind your back.
See how he walks away as soon as he gets yelled at back? Guys, this whole thing, the motorcycle rider, not going to name names, this motorcycle rider is probably a bully. Likes to yell over people. I'm just going to say it. Likes to yell over people, tries to get his way. And the moment, this is what bullies can't handle, the moment somebody says something back at them, fights back, or whatever it is, I'm a victim now.
Where are you supposed to be parked?
I didn't
Are you parked
break.
behind the stop line?
No,
Or
you
broke the
just
law?
did that.
You
You
broke the
just
law.
did that.
You
It's
broke
on
the law.
video.
I'm fine with it on video.
Yeah.
And I'll seize it for evidence. This
No, you
didn't
won't.
break any crimes.
No, I didn't break a crime. You didn't see it.
Sit
You're
down.
too wise.
All right, you know what? Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back. You're getting detained.
I didn't do.
Getting detained.
Dude, get my helmet off.
You're getting
Waff.
Let me get
Stop
my
resisting.
I'm not. I'm what?
Being disorderly.
I'm claustrophobic.
I'm claustrophobic, wearing a full face helmet with full gear on. You see how they just kind of flip it? You see how they just kind of flip it? Dude, just control your emotions. That's what adults do.
Bro,
Where? Where? Yeah, you were stopped before the light turned green.
bro, I'm claustrophobic.
Took off.
I'm
All
claustrophobic.
right, dude.
Who's the
That's
other guy who
great.
took off?
I can't breathe.
Are we doing the I can't breathe thing? Come on, dude.
How do
I
take
can't
off?
breathe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
get thing off. I've been saying it 2 minutes.
You need to.
I'm claustrophobic.
Relax.
Please get my helmet off.
Relax.
I can't, bro.
Relax.
It's undone.
Relax.
Get it the off my head. Get it off.
All right. Someone.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Know this guy?
Jesus Christ, dude.